Tesla Aftermarket Accessories, ready to show everybody how to install our Model 3 intake air cabin pre-filter. So this nested beehive-like plastic filter is going to pre-filter the air going into your air ducts, which go into your cabin filters, which get plugged up. So let's show you what it's for, how simply it installs, and open up your front trunk and just simply lift up on the plastic piece that surrounds your windshield wiper fill tank and move this out of the way. It just simply snaps on and off with about 10 snaps. And I want to show everybody, this is right now what's stopping things from going in your car. Turbulence can bring dirt and dust and a lot of things like leaves in here, inside, through these vents, and down inside, and then right to the cabin filters. So this is going to stop that. It's going to simply just drop right in like this. That's it. It simply fits right on, and nothing larger than a small pencil head is going to get inside. So that's why we're calling it a pre-filter, because it's a pre-filter for the cabin filters. Now, how do you install it all the way? Just simply pull the tabs that I have ready this time, and we're going to put it right on. So just peel off the red backing tape, and we're going to drop it right in place. Now also, I might have forgot to mention, we're going to do one thing that's really important, and make sure you clean it good. This 3M double-sided tape needs to be installed to a clean surface. So before we drop it in, we're going to make sure you clean it with alcohol. So you want to use a rag, and you want to spray the rag and wipe the liner out in here, because this liner is where it sits. So it's this inside edge. Once you've cleaned it all up, which we already did ahead of time, and your double-sided tape is off, just watch how simple it is. Just take it, place it right on top, and stick it down. Push it all the way down, and you can move this whole thing around, put a little pressure on it. But this is a real great idea. We really honestly believe in it. You're not going to have leaves getting stuck inside. You're not going to have anything going through here straight into your cabin filters. It'll keep them cleaner, and it's not even expensive. So let's put it back together. The simplest part, just drop it on top and lock it down. That's it. And also, if you ever want to get into your brake fluid or any of your fluids, your brake fluid reservoirs here, and of course this is your windshield wiper refill and your 12-volt battery. So again, it's an easy compartment to open and close. Snaps together just like Legos. That's it. And then when you're all done and you have one of our powered trunks, you just hit the button right here and close it up. Thanks again, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories.